Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital. Today I'm excited to announce our 8th free land giveaway. This one ends March 1st, 2022. But first, a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed or liked our videos. Your support continues to help us post Gokce Knowledge YouTube videos. And an even bigger thank you to everyone who has bought a property, one of our courses, or our book. For those of you who are not familiar with us, we are a small family-owned business and we buy and sell vacant land. You can visit our website at gokcecapital.com. And if you're interested in selling your land, just click Get My Cash Offer. To find our available properties for sale, go to gokcecapital.com/listings, where you will see a map with all of our properties, as well as a table with information on each available lot. In addition to our properties, we also sell courses. We have a land due diligence program and a land investing program. And on top of our courses, we also have a book, Land Investing Mistakes, which includes 11 true stories of mistakes we have made while investing in land. You can find the book by searching Land Investing Mistakes on Amazon.com. We started our free land giveaway 2.5 years ago as a promotion for our new YouTube channel, and we now have more than 7,500 subscribers. Our first free land giveaway was supposed to be a one-off promotion, but we loved hearing all of your comments about what you would do with a parcel of land and how land would help you achieve your dreams and aspirations. So now every year, twice a year, we run a new free land giveaway. And here's how it works. On March 1st, 2022, we will select one winner from the comments section of this video and give them a free property. The property will be of our choosing, and it's usually the lowest priced property in our inventory. And conveyance will be by special warranty deed. Now, if for any reason you end up winning the giveaway and do not like the property we have available, we can also send you a $100 Amazon gift card instead. Of course, at this point, if you are thinking, enough, how do I enter the giveaway? Here's how it works. It's very simple. Just do 3 things. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our mailing list, and in the comments to this video, let us know how you found us and why you want the land. And just a quick note, to subscribe to our mailing list, click subscribe on our homepage and then write in your email address. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.